Now, welcome viewer to this training that will be brought to you by Miller's Bee Nexus together with Envision. We will give you various modules on beekeeping, one by one, from the time you acquire your hive to the time that you set it up, to the time that you harvest, to the time that you package your honey.
We all know that an apiary is also known as a bee yard. Apiaries comes with different sizes, depends on the number of hives they carry. This apiary you are seeing here carries 200 hives, and the design of this apiary is not the same as the design of the second apiary that we showed you earlier. Just let me take you back to the workshop where we are manufacturing hives. So guys, before I forget, if you want hives, I'll just call the number that is provided down here on the screen. For you to buy 10 hives, you will get free bee suit, free smoker, a free gloves that is combined with the bee suit, a bee brush, and the hive tool. As you can see, the work of the workshop, we must do it careful with accuracy. We don't guess things. That's why we make sure that the hive we give to the client is up to the standard. Also painting, we have done the painting very careful. We have a specific paint that we do the hives. Normally we do yellow because yellow color attracts the bees. So guys, remember to subscribe, remember to share to your friends, and hit the bell button for notifications. From the base, you can see we have raised it up from the soil because this area sometimes becomes wet. It's not as a swamp as they may say, but the soil itself is fertile that it can give cold to hives. That's why we have raised it up. If you need the apiary plan, please just call the number below, and we can give you the plan direct to your email at affordable cost. As you can see guys, this is our second apiary that you have been seeing, and there's a big difference on the hive placement. In the first floor, you can see hives are placed at the left and the right, whereby you walk in between, as compared to the fourth apiary, whereby hives are placed in between the apiary, whereby you walk along the chain link. Remember guys, our apiary is in Nandi Hills. That's where our fourth apiary is located. If you want to visit for benchmarking, you are welcome. Just call the number below and then we give you the direction. When we construct an apiary, there are things that we consider before we do the construction of the structure. Number one, when we check on the location, we have to confirm that the apiary construction is away from the public roads, away from schools, hospitals, and the households. Considering that, your bees will be safe and will be out of the noise that will be coming from the public means of transport, the schools, the people around, because bees likes a quiet place. The second thing that we consider is the soil. Is your soil wet or is your soil dry? Does your soil support the structure to be firm? So there are those things that we need to consider before we come to construction of the apiary. As you can see here, I'm inside the apiary. On my left side, you can see at the middle, that's where hives can stay, whereby you walk along the walls. When you reach at the end, you go upstairs to the first floor. Then the hives there are placed as the same as the ground floor. So the main thing that we consider during the construction of apiary is the direction and the flow of wind and rains. We'll come to that when we explain into details, so that we can give you details how to place hives to a direction where they cannot be interfered with the rains and the winds flow. It's so beautiful. If you need the plan, guys, please contact the number below. If you need our assistance in the ground for ground inspection, just call us. We are flexible, we can come to where you are. In our next segment, we will bring you, once we are through with the trench, we will show you how the trench works when we put in water and fish. We will show you how we install the hives. For now, we have installed 50 hives. That's what you have seen. The guys are bringing in. We have taken in 50 hives. The rest of the hives will be on the catchment sites for catching, and some of the hives have colonized. That after 3 to 4 days we will bring them to the apiary. So thank you guys for watching. See you next.
Continue watching and following us on Twitter, on Facebook, on YouTube channel for this and much more on beekeeping. Thank you so much.